Tired of your Google Sheets data just sitting there? Let's unlock its full potential by connecting it to Looker Studio, where we can turn those numbers into stunning, interactive reports. First, open Looker Studio. You'll typically land on the Reports page. Look for the large Create button in the top left corner and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear from the options presented. Select Data Source. This tells Looker Studio you want to connect to your Google Sheets data. This action will bring you to the Connect to Data panel. Here, you'll see a list of various data connectors. Find the Google Sheets icon. It's usually near the top, with the familiar green Sheets logo, and click on it. Now, Looker Studio will access your Google Drive and display a list of your Google Sheets files. Scroll through or use the search bar to find the specific spreadsheet you want to use for your report. Once you've found your spreadsheet, click on it. You'll then see a list of the different tabs or worksheets. Within that spreadsheet, choose the tab that contains the data you want to import into Looker Studio. Next, you'll see a couple of important checkboxes. Make sure you use first row as headers. Is checked if your first row contains the column names. Also, consider checking Include Hidden and Filtered Cells if you want to import all data, even if it's currently hidden in your sheet. Finally, in the bottom right corner of the configuration panel, you'll find the Connect button. Click this button to establish the connection between your Google Sheet and Looker Studio. And that's it. Looker Studio will now import your data, and you'll be taken to a blank report where you can start creating visualizations and dashboards using the data fields from your Google Sheet. Now you can build dynamic reports that update automatically as your Google Sheets data changes. Enjoy the power of data visualization.